What is going on, guys? My name is Timothy or Timmybug, and today I am going to show you how to make a custom mouse pad. Now, there are two ways to go about making a custom mouse pad. Number one is the cheaper way. However, the largest mouse pad you're going to be able to get is 8 by 10 inches, which is not a huge deal for me personally. I can make it work. However, if you're looking for like a desk mat type mouse pad, I will also provide an option for that. So, to get started, you're going to want to open up a new Google Chrome tab, and you're going to want to go to Printify.com. Once you are to Printify, you're going to go ahead and log in or sign up. Once you log up, you're going to want to search for products and type in mousepad. So there are a couple different kinds of mouse pads here. For instance, you can get a circular mouse pad, which is going to cost you a bit more. You can get a mouse pad with a wrist rest, which is going to obviously cost you the most out of any of these. You can get a rectangular mouse pad, or you can get a gaming mouse pad. Now, I personally have both a rectangle mouse pad and a gaming mouse pad. And the gaming mouse pad, for the price, which shipping's going to run you about $5, and then just taxes are going to run you another $1 or $2, it's all in all going to cost about $11. But what I'm personally going to do, I'm going to select this gaming mouse pad. It is high quality, I can assure you of that. I personally own one, and it is quite high quality. The edges are stitched. The print is quite good as long as you keep it within the print boundaries on Printify when you're designing it. So we're going to scroll down just a tiny bit, and we're going to click Start Designing here. Once you are in the design window, there are two options up here, Edit and Preview. You will automatically be in Edit. I recommend that until you are pleased with your design, you stay in Edit. So we're going to come over here to add your design. We'll go ahead and add a design. Now from here, you can choose to add it from your device, custom text, Dropbox, or Shutterstock. I personally already have a design loaded and imported from my computer. If you have a design that you want and you want the background to be transparent, I'm going to be making a tutorial on that soon as well. So for me personally, I'm going to select my library because I have already uploaded the image, and I'm going to select cropped image PNG. This is my logo. It will automatically put your logo in the design window. However, as you can see right here, this will not print on the mouse pad. This is the stitched edge. The gray area is the stitch edge. You want to keep your design within this little dotted line, not the gray line. The gray line will most definitely not print, but there will be print issues, and it may possibly cut it off if you put it on this dotted line. I want the logo to take up the majority of it, so I'm going to put my design quite in the middle. Then you can scroll down over here, and there are a lot of options. I really like how they let you customize this super well to your liking. So I'm going to align this to the center of the horizontal axis, and as you can see, that moved it over just a tiny bit. What we're going to do here, I'm happy with, how big the image is. You can adjust the rotation, the scale, the height, the width, whatever you want to, the positioning. If you want to copy a layer, you can duplicate it, and then you can have a second layer. Like if you wanted to have a tiny watermark in the bottom here or something, you could put it there. But I don't personally want that, so I'm going to select this layer, and that's how you navigate the layers. You can also click up here to close that layer. Now, I don't want the background of the mouse pad to be white, because if we preview it right now, the background of the mouse pad is going to be white. And while that doesn't look too bad, I would kind of prefer it be a different color. So we can change the background right here. We'll go ahead and click on that. And they give you a variety of backgrounds to choose from here, or you can enter in a hex code. For me personally, I really like this deep purple. I'm going to go ahead and go back to layers. I also want a tiny bit of text beneath this, so I'm going to come in here to add design. We'll add some custom text here. So I'm going to put the text right down here. And over here is where you edit the text. You can't edit it like from here. All you can edit is the positioning right here. We're going to go over and edit just a funny saying that I once said in a video. Somebody once told me I should put this on a mouse pad, so I'm going to put very buff on this mouse pad, right? I kind of like that. I'm going to change the color to white, and I'm going to change the font just because I really like this font. I'm going to change it to the permanent marker. I'll center this to the middle, And there you go, we have successfully designed the mouse pad. So once you have your design here, go ahead and select preview and just, make sure that everything looks good to you. That looks good. Now that we've got this fully designed, we're going to come down here and select Save Product. That is saved to order this product. You are simply going to click Create Order. Make sure that the right size gaming mouse pad is added. Click Continue with Shipping. Fill out all your shipping information, and then once you do that, you'll confirm your order. As of right now, this gaming mouse pad will probably run you, since it's around Christmas, it'll run you about $11 to $12, but it is high quality, and I highly recommend this as a entry-level gaming mouse pad. Now, I will just go ahead and warn you, this mousepad option is going to be quite a bit more expensive than the other mousepad. However, if you need a big mousepad or a custom size mousepad, this would be the way to go, and out of everywhere that I looked, this is the cheapest, best reviewed, and most reliable way to go. This is Specter custom mousepads. I will leave them linked down below. As of the time of recording this, they have 15% off for holiday sales. They offer a variety of different sized mousepads. They have mousepads going all the way up to 39 by 19 inches. However, it is going to run you $53. So, compared to the gaming mousepad, it really doesn't matter to me which you choose. If you need a bigger mousepad or if you just prefer a bigger mousepad, then I would go with these. However, if you're just looking for a good entry-level mousepad, I would go with the Printify option. Let's just, for instance, design this really quickly, because it's relatively easy. I've done this before. We're going to upload a file. For the purposes of making this video, I'm not actually ordering this mousepad. I'm just going to position that there and go ahead and click OK. So that's going to be, you know, what would be on my mousepad. We'll go ahead and save that. You can choose how thick you want the mousepad to be, and we're going to go ahead and add to cart. I'm not personally going to order this mousepad, however, I just wanted to demonstrate that it is quite easy to make a custom mousepad with this particular format. So if you want to pick up a larger mousepad, I would use Specter custom mousepads. If you want to pick up a smaller mousepad, I would choose Printify. And that is how to make a custom mousepad using your own images. So if you liked this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if this helped you. And if you have any questions, be sure to reach out in the comments down below. Until the next time, I'll talk to y'all later.